it was totally good for me, sir. And in training, two persons helped me a lot. One is Loksai sir, and another one is Sonal ma'am. They have shared their entire DevOps knowledge with us, and they have shared their own notes with us to prepare for mock interviews and real time interviews as well. These two trainers helped a lot. And coming to mentor section, our mentor was Karan sir. He helped us with the assignments and for the how to prepare for mock interviews, how to clear the competency exams, and his support is also too good, sir, about training and mentoring. Before joining, I was not at all knowing what is DevOps, how the DevOps will work, what the actual work we will do in the company regarding to DevOps. Actually, I was interested in DevOps, but I was not getting confidence. Will I able to carry on that DevOps course or not? But I came to know that Star Agile is giving online classes, sitting in home only. It's a virtual classes, and it will be conducted in the night so that we can complete our work in the daytime and we can attend the night classes. That's the one advantage from Star Agile, I can say. Second one is I got so much confident within myself, sir, about the DevOps course and how the tools works, how the tools are integrated within the DevOps technology. So this is the confidence I got it after joining the Star Agile. As I was really interested in DevOps, when I was researching about the institute, which institute I have to join after my graduation. Then I searched all, then I got the one link that is Star Agile in the Google itself. I saw all the reviews, how the Star Agile works, and next thing I got is it's a pay after placement. That's the one more biggest opportunity and advantage for us. After pay after placement, that's the one advantage, and we can clear the mock interview. After clearing the mock interview, we will get our money back. They will refund our money back. That the confidence I have, and I have cleared the mock interview as well and competency test as well. After completing, and the career system support that has helped us a lot and supported us a lot to clear the interview. That too within a MNC company, it's not at all an easy thing. That too, if it's a virtual interview, that's the one most important for me, because relocation every time was not possible from my side. But career support has helped me a lot in interviews. First one is training, sir, and assistance during the interviews. These two part I have liked so much. Yes, experience was cool and it was good, sir. And during the interviews, they used to call us. Your interview is scheduled on this day. We have to attend that interview. 2 to 3 days prior only they have informed us about the interview, and they have ever talked with the company HR and they have scheduled our interview. That's the one support I got. And for virtual interviews also, like normal for virtual interviews also, I got a call priority only. Like it is cool, super cool.
Check out the DevOps course by industry-leading experts. Register now on the Star Agile website. Check out the link in the description.